We have a aloha theme today. You guys ready to draw some sharks and octopus? Sound like fun? Okay, cool. So these are all Hawaiian words, guys. If you ever go to Hawaii, you can try to remember these words. Turtle, which is hanu. Octopus, which is he. Shark, mano. Kid, so we can draw, maybe a kid surfing or something. Aloha, which is love, peace, and probably hello. Surf, under, sea, wave, and cried. So somebody's gonna be crying. Okay, which word do you want to draw? Okay, let's draw two things. We can draw a wave and we can draw one more thing. A shark and a wave. Okay, sounds good. So how do we draw a wave? Kind of like that. Yeah. So we're gonna use squares, circles, triangles, rectangles, straight line, and curved line. Okay, so let's use a bunch of curved lines. So that could be wavy, really wavy. We can even curve them around. Okay, all right. Okay, so what's the big shape that we can draw first? Yep. Okay, so oval first, right? And then what's the shape that we can use for the head? That's right. Let's use a triangle. Okay. You know how this shark is kind of moving like this? I'm going to teach you guys something a little advanced. So this is what we call an action line. And basically, action line is just a line that we can draw that helps us see how it's moving. That's why it's called an action line. So we can draw an action line kind of through it. All right, what shape can we use to draw the back fin here? Yeah, so we can draw two triangles, maybe? Okay. Sounds good. And what about that top fin right here? Let's draw another triangle. Okay, so this shark is moving in perspective. So there's actually two sides to it. So it's kind of like if you look underneath a circle, it would be like this, and then there would be one triangle here. So can we use a triangle to draw these? Okay, so what I want you to do is around your oval, I want you to put a curve like this around it, like a curved line like this. Okay. And then what this is going to help you do is you're going to put your first triangle right here. Okay. And then you're going to follow that line to the other side. Let's see. We're going to follow it to the other side. And then you'll put your second triangle over there. Does that make sense? Yeah, cool. All right, we're doing pretty good. Okay, let's erase the stuff in the middle now so that we can draw his face. What shape can we draw for his eyes? Yeah, a circle. And what shape can we draw for his mouth? Okay. And then, do you see the teeth inside? What kind of shape can we draw for the teeth? Yeah, little triangles. Okay, let's connect the body to the tail. What kind of lines do we draw to connect the oval body to the tail? Yeah, so like a rectangle or two tapered lines, right? So a tapered rectangle or two tapered lines like that. Now we want to draw that stripe thing. So how do we draw that? Yeah, so we can draw, why don't we make it a jagged line? So we can draw the line real quick, like really lightly, kind of like this. Okay, so it goes around. Just so that you'll have something to draw upon. And And then you can around that you can do this jagged thing. You can just make it jaggedy. Okay, any other details you want to add? Yeah, do you know what those are called? They're called gills. See, there's a gill right there. Okay, so now you know how to draw a shark, yeah? Cool, it's not too hard, huh? It's basically a circle and a triangle. Okay, so what's the first shape that we can draw? Yeah, a big circle. That's a good idea. Okay. Yeah, a circle. You can always add a triangle on top. Okay. Okay. What shape can we use for his arms? Yeah. One triangle here. Okay. And then he has these legs. What shape could we use the legs? Yeah, so circles are good shapes. Draw circles for the legs. Okay, what kind of shape should we draw for the tail? Yep, a little triangle. Okay. All right, how do we connect the neck? Yep, a rectangle to connect the neck. And I know it's kind of hard to see, but he does have eyes here. How can we draw the eyes? Yeah, circle is good. So I'm going to write here inside, and then we can draw two circles. So for the decoration, let's draw a line inside the circle, like a mini circle. Curved line, it just kind of goes around. This will help us draw the circles inside. So there's a pattern. There's one circle here. So if you're going to draw it, you can draw one circle here, draw another circle here, and draw some smaller circles in the middle. That's one way of drawing the pattern. And then for the arms, you can also make another pattern inside. So there's a lot of, on his head and on his arms, there's a lot of patterns. So you can add some circles, or if you want to make some squares, you can do that. We can just add more lines. But those are just basically shapes. Okay, there's our turtle. All right. Okay, let's draw an octopus. Okay, what's the first big shape we can draw for this octopus? Or kind of like the head? Okay. All right. And then what's the next big shape that we can draw? Okay. Yeah. You can use an oval. You can also use a triangle. Either one works. And then how do we draw the long arms? Yeah. So we can do bendy rectangles. Yeah. Yeah. So we can do some bendy rectangles, and let's make them taper. So it kind of goes to an end. And you know what I like to do for the legs is I like to draw just one line to just figure out where it goes. You know how many arms an octopus has? 8. So we can draw 8 lines to figure out what our octopus is doing. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And some of them, they can be behind, so we don't have to draw all of them. Okay, so once we have all our 8 lines or our arms planned out, we can make these tapered lines. What should we draw next on our octopus? Yeah, and how many circles? Yeah, so draw one here, draw one here. Okay, what else should we draw? Oh yeah, so lots of little circles underneath. So we can draw a line. You said a line first, right? Yeah, a line first, so that shows it's underneath. Lots of little circles inside, right? Yeah. Those are like those suction cups. That's how they grab you. Let's add a line here to connect it. And we can erase the middle. And just add the circles on the bottom side of all your tentacles. Yeah, kind of just keep track of your arms. A lot of arms. And then you can add a pattern on here if you want. Okay, well, thank you for drawing with me.
Wasn't that fun? And wasn't that simple and easy? All right, so if you like that video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our videos. We make videos every single week. And we have a special step-by-step guide for you in the link below. So go ahead and click the link below and download it, and we'll see you next time at Creativity School.